Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go. First, download the free app and customize your trainer. Then, begin exploring your real-world surroundings. Your avatar moves as you do, revealing wild Pokémon and important landmarks. Tap on Pokéstops, which are often real-world points of interest, to spin them and collect useful items such as Pokéballs, potions, and eggs. Keep an eye on your map to see where the action is happening around you. To catch a Pokémon, simply tap on it when it appears on your map. You will then enter a catching screen where you swipe a Pokéball towards the Pokémon. Aim for the colored ring. A smaller ring means a better throw bonus. Use raspberries to increase your catch rate or peanut berries to double the candy you receive. Gather enough candy and stardust from catching and transferring Pokémon to evolve them into stronger forms or power them up. Gyms are important locations where you can battle and defend. If a gym is your team's color, you can place one of your Pokémon there to defend it and earn up to 50 Poké coins per day. If it is a rival team's gym, you can battle its defenders to take control. Raid battles are cooperative events where up to 20 trainers can team up to defeat a powerful raid boss, offering a chance to catch rare and legendary Pokémon. Connecting with other trainers enhances your experience. Add friends to exchange gifts, which can contain useful items and increase your friendship level, unlocking bonuses. You can also trade Pokémon with friends, helping each other fill your Pokédex. Always keep an eye out for special in-game events, as these often feature unique Pokémon, increased spawn rates, and exclusive bonuses. Don't forget to complete your daily research tasks for extra Stardust and other valuable rewards.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.